Okay, let's show you what prompted me to buy the new piece. This, if I can get this to focus, that's a little bit worn out. It should be right there and it shouldn't move. It should go straight up and down, but it doesn't. It leans in, and then eventually this begins to cant over, and as it cants over, it rubs against the side of the body. And then I hear this driving down the road. So, I'm going to take this stuff off, and that will be that. Get this. Jeez, this one's got a much better spring in it. Yikes. Also picked up a horn relay because my horn relay was shot. But it's no biggie, one way or the other. Open, says me. Alright. Once these guys in, just bolts on the back. Good. I'll take a look at the hardware that comes with theirs. And I might use these because these have the locking washers on them. Well, not locking washers, locking nuts. Yeah, I think I'll use these. Never been a big fan of the Phillips, but I'll go for it.